This is Leigh Carson, St. Louis family law attorney. I want to talk to you today about orders of protection. If you believe that someone is abusing you, threatening to abuse you, stalking you, threatening you with harm, you can file what's called an order of protection. If the judge believes that there's some possibility that those things are true and that you need protection, they issue what is called an ex parte. If you have an order of protection filed against you and an ex parte has been issued, I think your best course of action is, you should talk to an attorney, of course, but your best course of action is to agree. If you agree, you're saying, I'm not admitting that any of this is true, but I'm saying, I just want this over with, and I agree to not bother you. The standard order is that you can't be within 500 feet of the person at their home or at their workplace. I tell people I've agreed to it. If you're in a store and they come in, you need to leave. It's just not that hard. I guess the way to think about it is if I tell clients, if you file an order of protection against me, of course I'll agree to it. I won't be around you. I won't talk to you except for as delineated in the order. But generally, I can't be your lawyer then. That's all it is. So judges really understand in later proceedings that this order is not an admission that you did things. I just had one this morning where the one said, that's fine. I'm not saying that I did those things. That's really important. I've gotten in over 30 years, I've had 2 orders of protection dismissed. One, because the allegations were over 2 months old. The judge said, if you're that worried about it, why didn't you file it 2 months ago? The second one was a guy who had worked as an English translator for the American forces in Afghanistan. If he got an order of protection against him, he would be deported back to Afghanistan and probably killed. So I pointed that out to the judge. The gentleman in question he had followed his girlfriend, he had threatened her, he just was bothering her. I think he was following her like to restaurants or showing up a place where he thought she did her grocery shopping. And the judge said to him, you just need to stop that, but did not enter an order so he would be deported. But it's really tough to defeat them. You might feel like it's a point of principle. Not worth it. It's not worth it. Just admit it. Enter into the order. You're not admitting anything is wrong and move on.